What is happening, everybody? Today we're going to be checking out the QSP Hornbill. Let's get into it. Now, I acquired this knife from a good friend of mine, BEEDC. I have been super stoked to do this review. One of the first things that grabbed me about this knife is the actual blade shape of it. I really dig that. And then picking it up, I didn't even realize it was twill carbon fiber with blue shading on the inside. It also has some like sun rays originating from this area, and I just think that looks awesome. It adds for superb grip when holding the knife, and it makes it actually really good looking, and it just adds layer upon layer of beauty to this already good looking knife. Another thing that strikes me right away is it comes with a purpose-built finger choil right in the front. And as you can see here, it looks like the blade has not only a thumb ramp, but also a thumb saddle, and I really dig that as well. I like the fact that they have a thumb hole and added the option for thumb studs. That looks outstanding. Let's see how it fits in hand. In hand, thumb fits perfectly on there. If I want to choke up to the finger choil, I still got good grip. If I want to get precisely over that blade, you can see here, it fits great to me. So we got standard grip, choked up, and further choked up. And then as far as opening methods for this, we got a front flipper, thumb studs, and the holes. So let's try them out. We'll do thumb flick, great. Reverse finger flick, easy day. Thumb flick, or thumb stud flick, awesome. And what I'm not great at is front flipping, so let's give her a go. Oh, it's not too bad. Quick specs on the Hornbill. We have an overall length of 7.5 inches. We have a blade length of 3.25 inches. We have a handle length of 4.25 inches, a weight of 3.88 ounces, a blade thickness of roughly 3 millimeters. The blade is constructed of S35 VN. It is black stone washed and has a generous finger choil. The knife scales are constructed of twill carbon fiber and are infused with some blue. They sit upon stainless steel liners. This is an inset liner lock. The blade has jimping on the thumb ramp and also has a nice thumb saddle for you to get over the blade, as we talked about earlier. Your main grind is flat, as well as the swedge. There is a lanyard hole. The pocket clip is made of titanium and is tip-up right-hand carry only. This is what the Hornbill looks like in the pocket. Size comparisons with the Hornbill. First up, we have the QSP Penguin Titanium. I believe this one's a Caviso exclusive. And as you can see here, the Hornbill is a little bit larger in the blade length and handle length. Next up, we have the QSP Hawk. And as you can see here, again, the Hornbill is just slightly larger than the Hawk in overall size, including blade and handle length. And last but not least is the Ferramonster Glideman. You can kind of see how these blades have very similar profiles. I really do enjoy this blade shape quite a bit. As you can see here, the Hornbill is larger overall than the Ferramonster Glideman. Final thoughts and impressions? Well, if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love that last comparison, which is the Ferramonster Glideman. And to me, this is a bigger version. Yeah, I love it. I love the shape. I love the handle. I love the blade. I love the options as far as your hold goes, and I love the deployment options. Truly, the only deployment option it's missing is a rear flipper, but there's many other ones, so it doesn't matter anyways. Yeah, this is an outstanding knife. And yeah, this is one of the premium versions for QSP. If you've never owned a QSP before, you need to get one because they are outstanding knives. And in fact, QSP stands for quality, service, and price. Is there any negatives on this knife for me? No, or maybe one small negative, I guess, is I would have made a black logo here, just so it matches with everything. But that's it. Other than that, if that's the only nitpick that I have, that's awesome. This is a great knife. I definitely give the Hornbill my thumbs up seal of approval. Also want to give a quick shout out to my anchor crew. Thank you guys so much for your love and support of my channel. If you want to be part of the anchor crew, it's $4 a month. You get early access to videos, and we have membership-only giveaways. And we're giving away some real heat. Thank you so much for checking out the QSP Hornbill with me today. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Hornbill. Is it something that you could see yourself carrying? Thank you again for spending your valuable time here. Have a good day.